two powerful CRM platforms, Zoho CRM and Nutshell, competing for the top spot. Which one truly helps you grow? On the left, Zoho CRM loaded with features and flexible customization. On the right, Nutshell built for simplicity and speed. We're comparing real-life essentials, automation, ease of use, integrations, pricing, and support, plus a few surprises along the way. Let's forget the industry hype and see what actually matters for your business. Each category gets points, and at the end you'll see a clear winner emerge. The outcome might just surprise you. Let's get into it. So here's the mind map of where we're heading. We'll start with price, then jump into ease of use, integrations, reporting and analytics, mobile experience, customer support, and wrap up with ecosystem and scalability. That's a lot, right? But trust me, each of these can totally change your experience with a CRM. Alright, first up, price. Zoho kind of sets the standard here with a free tier and just super transparent pricing. It's like, what you see is what you get, and it's really budget-friendly even when you stack up features. But heads up, those add-ons, they can sneak up and bloat your monthly bill if you're not careful. Now Nutshell, it's got a free trial, which is always nice. But honestly, it starts higher per user, and the base plan is, well, kinda barebones if you need fancy stuff. If you want the most for your buck, Zoho clearly takes the cake here. Now, switching gears to ease of use. Nutshell totally shines in this department. It's like you log in and you feel at home. Super intuitive, barely any setup, and you'll have your team onboarded before lunch. But with that ease, you're trading away some depth if you're after something truly complex. Meanwhile, Zoho does look slick and gives you those customizable dashboards, but oh man, the amount of menus and settings might have you scratching your head the first few days. It's powerful, but yeah, not the smoothest entry. For just getting started right away, Nutshell absolutely wins this one. Next, integrations. Oh, and here, where Zoho flexes hard, it plays nicely with basically everything, hundreds of integrations, seriously. And if you already use any part of the Zoho suite like Books or Desk, it's like, why not just go all in? They even connect with third-party stuff like Google and Slack. The only catch is, those fancier connections can mean forking out a bit more. Nutshell does offer core business integrations and even works with Zapier, which is cool if you want to piece things together. But honestly, it's just not in the same league as Zoho for out-of-the-box connections. Zoho takes another win. Quick pause, did you know Zoho's been around since '96, back when it was called AdventNet? Nutshell, on the other hand, is a bit newer and was actually started by a former Google engineer. Strange but true. Alright, reporting and analytics, this one's interesting. Zoho's got crazy advanced, customizable reports, AI insights from Zia, and really strong sales tracking. It's actually more than most small teams probably need. On the flip side, Nutshell keeps things super simple. Pre-built reports, easy-to-understand visuals, but there's not much room to make it your own or geek out with complex numbers. If analytics are a big deal to you, Zoho totally runs away with this category. Let's pop over to mobile experience. Look, everyone needs to check stuff on the road, right? Zoho's mobile app genuinely impresses. Full features, you can tweak workflows, even work offline. Sometimes, yeah, it's a lot to look at on your phone screen, but you're getting almost desktop-level power. Nutshell, meanwhile, keeps things clean and lightweight, great for quick updates, but feels a bit basic if you try to do anything advanced. For sheer power and flexibility, Zoho's ahead here, another win for them. Alright, now customer support, that's where things flip. Nutshell actually does a fantastic job here. We're talking live, US-based support, quick responses, and they'll even help onboard your team. Downside? Not available 24/7 and not many languages. Zoho, on the other hand, does offer round-the-clock coverage during the week, tons of documentation, forums, but man, when you've got a complicated problem, the resolution feels slower. If top-notch support is your thing, Nutshell takes it. And finally, ecosystem and scalability. Okay, so Zoho, it's not just a CRM, it's like a command center for your whole business, finance, HR, project management, the works. You can legit run a growing company on this, though managing the whole suite can get complicated, not gonna lie. Nutshell totally fits smaller teams, and that's its jam. But if you plan to scale or want all the bells and whistles, Zoho's the winner here. Let's zoom out a second and see how these two stack up side by side across every category. You can really spot where Zoho dominates, especially for features and growth, while Nutshell holds its own for simplicity and support. So, what do I really think? Honestly, if you're looking for a CRM that'll grow with your company, offers ridiculous flexibility, and you're not afraid to spend a little extra time learning, Zoho's what you want. But if you're running a lean sales team, want to get started like today and value quick, friendly support over bells and whistles, Nutshell is the easier pick. For most people, Zoho is the overall winner here, but there's definitely a place for Nutshell if your needs are super simple. If you enjoyed this head-to-head CRM showdown, don't forget to check out our other tech matchups and hit follow so you never miss a review.